In modern times, if an unexpected power failure occurs, the work of all industries will become very difficult. With the help of diesel generators, your enterprise's power demand will be free of pressure, because diesel generators can provide stable and reliable power demand for enterprises. Dingbo diesel generators provide silent operation through powerful engines, and are backed by longer service life and strong customer support. Dingbo TSA and customized 30 kW to 3000 kW diesel generator sets with various specifications such as ordinary, automatic, fall protection, automatic switching and free remote monitoring, low noise and mobile, automatic grid connection system, and other special power needs according to customer needs. Moreover, with an experienced team of engineers, we can provide longer warranty service and better customer support.